for you an exciting app that you can turn your photos and videos into cash. I mean into real dollars, into money. Today I'm bringing for you this app that most of you might not be knowing it, and the few that know it have not come up to share with you. I landed on it, I started it, and I saw it is encouraging. It can make you start expectant of getting an alert every end of the month or every 21st or 22nd, like today as you watch this video. So let's go together and see exactly which app is this. Are you a lover of taking photos? Are you a lover of making clips? I mean yourself or others. This platform is the like of Facebook, the like of Instagram, like TikTok, like the way they work. But this one is a bit far a step ahead than all of them. So before that, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that said no, bye-bye to poverty. We have to sit on a round table with the people that say, I don't like poverty. And if you don't like poverty, you'll be looking for ways, how can we make money? How can we make money within ourselves and around ourselves? Okay, let's dive in now and see what we are going to be excited of today. What do you expect today? In this video, expect two stages. The first stage, I'm going to tell you something about the method of payment for this app. Then the second one, we're going to dive into also this app and we'll see how do you benefit from it and how do you start it. So let's see. The first app now, it's called PayPal. PayPal is one of the methods, not one. It is the method that you're going to use to receive your payments on this app. That's why I bring it first, such that you should not start before knowing how to receive your money. So if you don't know how PayPal works, what you do, just go to your browser. Are you on Firefox? Are you on Chrome? Are you on Google? Put there paypal.com. If you put there paypal.com or PayPal sign up, it will pop up like this and you'll see you will start. For people who are in Africa and in Asia, please hold on. I know you're going to say, Christine, we are banned from using PayPal. So if you're banned from PayPal, there is nothing that should worry you. What you do, go to YouTube and put there, how can I register? How can I get an account from a banned country? I'm telling you, I did it and people have done it. You're going to see the ways how you can start also and sign up and get an account. There is nothing that is hard in this world. It's there on YouTube. So go and follow the prompts. But for you who is in a country that is okay, what you do, the same system, you will go there, paypal.com, and follow up the prompts. Put your email, put your names, follow whatever they will tell you, use it. Then that link, that account of yours is the one that you're going to attach to this method that I'm bringing you today. So let's go to the step number 2 out today. The one that can turn your photos and videos into cash. This is called Foap. I don't know whether you call it Foap, but it is F-O-A-P, Foap. So how do you access Foap? Foap is a beautiful app that is both on Android and it is at the same time on iPhone. How do you access it? What you do, go to your browser and put foap.com. The moment you put it, the screen will come like this. If you go there like this, you'll see that you can turn your photos into cash. Millions of people have used it. Millions of people have been ripping out of it. And it is majorly for creators and for also brands. This is the beautiful part of it. Brands are there and they are ready to get your photos. They are there to get your creativity and turn this creativity into money. So what are you expected to do? But how does it work? Before what you know what is expected to do. The way it works, the brands come in and they sign up. When they sign up, these brands are very many. There's the likes of Pepsi, there's Carrefour, there are Unilever, very many brands. So when they come to this app, what they do, they will sign up. And when they finish signing up, they are going to brief you. You're going to get briefs on what they want, on which type of photos they want, on which type of videos do they want, and why do they want what they want. When they brief you like that, you go ahead, they give you access to go and join their brands, to join their missions. So you join them and have access. The moment you have access, you are going to put your photos, you're going to put your videos, your clips. Then upon putting them there, they are going to review. Is it what they want? The moment they like it, they will start cashing it out. So that's how simple it works. That is for brands. Now let's go in and see for creators. For creators, what you're going to do, you're going to go to foap.com. Foap.com is an app like Facebook, is an app like Instagram, is an app like TikTok. After you going to Foap, what you do, download it. You can download it either on iOS, or you can download it on Android. The moment you download it, you fill what they want. You are going to fill your username, then you continue put there your password. Make sure you put a strong password. When you put there, they will tell you to download the app. Download the app and have access, like me. The moment you get access to it like this, you are now in a mission. What I want you to know on this app, it's one of the most rated app on this, I think, on the apps. It's 4.5. 4.5 out of 5. Millions of people have rated it positively, and it has rewarded very many people. How does it reward? It rewards you on the missions or on the tasks that you do. And what are these missions? When you go, please, you can check down the moment you open this, download this app and sign in, you will see down a lot of things like brands, like rewards, like explore and other things. So what you do, go to rewards. The moment you go to rewards, or you go to you can decide to do, not to go to rewards. What you do, go to missions. When you go to missions, that is where they put what they want. You'll get different types of missions. Mission is mission 1, mission 2, mission 3. A lot of requirements are there as far as brands are concerned. Brands need your photos. You will be required to put your, maybe they want a photo of this and the other, but you have a chance, or if I'm you like me, you go ahead and post the different photos that you want. When you post different photos that you want, it makes these brands, or it makes you be at a better chance for you to like your photos, and they take it. You're going to ask me which photos, is it of me or is it of, it's any kind of photo. As to their mission, you'll give the photos as to what they follow the prompt, see what they want down, continue, learn more about it. I'm still learning about it. Make sure you attach the photos they want, and also attach extra photos they want. Foap is a platform that I found that yes, ladies and gentlemen, let's do this. And after doing this, let's come back and give a review and give a feedback. I'll be coming back with the detailed information about this app. Peace out. Thank you very much. See you.